I'm going to be reviewing the Project Source Woodfin Oak Embossed Wood Plank Laminate Flooring. It is a click and lock installation and requires no glue. It is 7 millimeters thickness and it's great for floors and walls. Here you can see the beautiful detailing, making it look like real wood. And the best part, it's 99 cents a square foot. One box covers 26.8 square feet. Since this is a floating click and lock floor, you will need an underlayment. It is required. And you will also need the underlayment tape for all of the seams. Here's a video of me laying the click and lock floors so that you can see how easy this project can be. You can see the silver on the floor, which is under the floating floor. That is the underlayment. You just lay that out, and then as you're laying more and more pieces, you tape those together. Once you get going and you're on a roll, this goes really fast. I laid a whole house, which was 1,200 square feet, in less than 1 week. Because this is a thinner laminate at 7 millimeters, it was also very cost effective for me and for my project. It was for an investment property, so the price was right. However, I've worked with thicker laminates in the past. This one seems to be a little bit more difficult with getting it into the track, so I really had to take my time and use that mallet gently. The key is to use it gently so that it remains in good shape. As I get closer to the camera view, you can see that there's a track that this other piece will sit into. You tap it with the mallet and it sits itself down and locks into place. Here are some progress photos as I was going through and laying the floors. This was another bedroom where you can see the underlayment as well. This is a huge tip that I would like to share with everyone. If you have any hard corners that you're trying to make cuts on, one of the best tips I have gotten was to use cardboard and make your own jig. So in this video, I'm showing you how I just took a piece of cardboard and I had this weird angle that I was trying to get. I couldn't get with just a 45-degree angle, and I thought, I'm gonna make my own pattern. And it works out every time it works. So I wanted to share this tip with you. Once you have your pattern cut out, you're gonna lay that down on the piece that you're wanting to cut, mark it. I used a black marker in this instant. Just gonna mark where I need to cut, and then I will cut along those lines and I will get a perfect fit every single time. Now, if the edges are a little rough, that's okay too, because you're gonna be putting up baseboards. And here's the finished result. These floors really warm this space. I know buyers really love them. They're extremely durable and easy to clean. What a great project. I'm very happy with the product. My overall review is a positive one on this product, and I highly recommend it. Please see the links below in the description to purchase on Amazon. And please subscribe and hit that like button.